Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Vivo Y16. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here try to find an app called NotifyBuddy. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch this app. Move to the next step and grant 3 permissions for it. Last one is battery optimization, and it's optional to disable it, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. If you have any trouble using this app, you might need to go back and disable it right here. Go to the next step, click on OK, and from here your app should be ready. So you can see 4 tabs down here. There's user, system, active, and settings. Let's go through user first, and now you can select each of the apps that will be allowed for a custom LED lamp notifications. In system you can find all apps that are bound to the system. In active you can find all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen, or time between blinking, all kinds of stuff. You can click on test to see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.